Hey everyone. Today, we're going to talk about some incredible technologies that are changing the game when it comes to extending human life. From groundbreaking treatments to futuristic innovations, we've got it all. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's dive into the first tech on our list that could help us live longer and healthier lives: cancer-killing nanobots. That's right, tiny robots that can specifically target and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy cells. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this technology is very real and has already been tested in animals with promising results. So, how do these nanobots work? Well, they are designed to recognize cancer cells by the unique surface proteins they express. Once they find their target, they release a payload of drugs or toxins that can kill the cancer cell. And because they're so small, they can penetrate deep into tissues and even cross the blood-brain barrier, which is great news for treating hard-to-reach cancers like glioblastoma. In fact, in a recent study, researchers successfully used nanobots to shrink tumors in mice. The nanobots were designed to seek out cancer cells and cut off their blood supply, effectively starving the tumor. This breakthrough research offers hope that we may one day use nanobots to cure cancer in humans. Secondly, there is gene editing. Gene editing is a revolutionary technology that allows scientists to modify and manipulate DNA in a precise and targeted way. It has the potential to cure genetic diseases and prevent the spread of certain illnesses. One of the most promising gene editing technologies is CRISPR-Cas9, a tool that can cut and replace specific segments of DNA. For example, imagine a world where cystic fibrosis, a genetic disease that affects the lungs and digestive system, can be cured through gene editing. Scientists can use CRISPR-Cas9 to identify the mutated genes that cause cystic fibrosis and replace them with healthy genes, effectively curing the disease. Another example is the potential to prevent the spread of mosquito-borne illnesses such as malaria and dengue fever. Scientists can use gene editing to modify the DNA of mosquitoes, making them unable to transmit the diseases to humans. This could have a huge impact on public health and save countless lives. Finally, let's talk about Senolytics. Have you ever heard of the term senescence? It's a natural biological process that refers to the gradual deterioration of cellular function, which eventually leads to aging and death. Senolytics, a new field in biotechnology, seeks to slow down or even reverse this process. How? By eliminating senescent cells, or cells that have reached the end of their life cycle, from our body. But why is this important? Well, as we age, the accumulation of senescent cells can lead to a range of age-related diseases, such as arthritis, heart disease, and dementia. By removing these cells, we can potentially prevent or even treat these diseases. One study showed that mice treated with Senolytics lived 36% longer than those that were not treated. Senolytics work by targeting and destroying these senescent cells through a variety of mechanisms, including the activation of the immune system and the induction of cell death. Scientists are also exploring the potential of Senolytics in cancer treatment, as senescent cells have been found to promote cancer growth and resistance to therapy. While the field of Senolytics is still in its early stages, it holds great promise for extending human lifespan and improving our health as we age. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these incredible new technologies that are extending human lifespan. Cancer-killing nanobots, gene editing, and Senolytics are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the advancements being made in the field of longevity science. It's amazing to think that with these new tools, we could one day conquer diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's and dramatically improve the quality of life for millions of people around the world. So we encourage you to keep an eye on these developments and learn as much as you can about the science behind them. Who knows, you may even be inspired to pursue a career in the field of biotech yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on The New and the Next.